No. You are just reaping the fruit of your own action. You are just flowing with the three gunas that rule your life. If you have Sattva guna, then you get results faster. You have more Tamoguna, then everything keeps dragging. It gets delayed. It's all because you have to increase your Sattva-guna in. Your success or the fruit of any action does not happen only by your skills or the instruments and apparatus and means that you have. It doesn't depend on the means. It depends on you, the doer. The doer had to be more sattvic and increase the sattva in you. Things keep happening. And how to increase the sattva? Take care of your food, take proper rest, get up in right time and do your meditation, sadhana, and have faith. 5 things. See, things will start rolling faster. How many of you things have started happening since you started meditation? Tell me. Things have become much easier and simpler, and things simply less effort, a more result. So many business people come here, and when they come sit in the advanced course or do meditation, then they report that, oh, our things have become much better. If me being there, I would do much less. Coming here and doing silence, my business has doubled or tripled. That people have said. How many of you it has happened here? How many of you here you have experienced this sort of thing? See, there are some business people. It is happening. So the sattva makes things happen faster. That's why there is an old saying in Sanskrit, they say, Kriya siddhir bhavati sattve. The fruit of an action comes to you by sattva, mahata nopakarane, not by means that you take it to manage that. This is what it is believed to be, and it is what happens. So, that doesn't mean you sit and say, oh, I will increase my sattva, or I only do that. No, you also have to be active. Do action, do intelligent, along with that sattva must increase the sattva. That is the secret. And again, time is also a factor. Right time comes and things will start happening. You have to wait for that also. You can't say, oh, I plowed the soil,